Hey parents and students. Alright, so the last video I showed you how to do 3-digit times 2-digit, or 3-digit times 1-digit. Now I would like to show you 2-digit by 2-digit using the area model as well. So again, our problem is 45 times 29 equals n, and again you see here our variable because we do like to show that in our math now in 4th grade. So we want to take our first number here, which is 45, and we need to expand it just like we did when it was a 3-digit number. And 45 expanded is 40 plus 5. Okay. Now that I have that, I want to make sure that I draw my bar here. And that is kind of big, so I might want to make it a little smaller. Okay, here we go. X out of those. Okay, right, and now I need to expand 29, and so these numbers are going to be going straight down. So 20 plus 9. And again, giving myself plenty of space so I can solve these. Okay. Now I want to draw my bar here. Make sure it's nice and long. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. So I can go ahead and start closing in my box, just like we did before. Okay. There we go. And one more here. Remember, always giving our numbers home. So here's our 40 column and our 5 column. Now we need a 20 row and a 9 row. So what I'm going to do is use these so that I can make sure I block these off and give them their box or their home. Okay. Now that we have it nice and set up, okay, we need to see what goes inside these boxes. Okay, what two numbers are we timesing in each box? All right, so I can see here that 40 times 20 will go in this box, and I can show that by using my colors here. So I'll draw my 40 straight down, and I'll go to my 20 and go straight across. And I see that they meet here. So I know that this is 40 times 20 equals blank, and I'm going to put that at the top so that it's out of my way and I have plenty of space in my box. I'm going to go ahead and change my color to yellow, and I'm going to do this box here, and I'm going to go 5 and 20, and that goes here in this box. I can see it because that's where the two lines cross, so that's 5 times 20 equals X. And again, moving that to the top corner where I have my students write that. I'm going to change my color again, and I'm going to look here at 40 again. 40 straight down. And I want to see what's in this box, and I'm going to go to my 9 and go across. And they meet right here, so that's 40 times 9. Go ahead and put that in. Writing that top corner. And I want to see what goes in this last box. So I'm going to pick another color. I'll do red. I'm going to start with my 5. Go straight down. 9. Go straight across here. And it looks like they meet here, so I know that this must be 5 times 9. Oops, sorry. Again, moving that to the top. Alright, now what I need to do is find the products of each of these boxes. And the same thing that we did with the last problem, we covered up our zeros so that the problem didn't look as scary. So let's go ahead and try that for 40 times 20. Okay. Now it's 4 times 2. And if we don't know what that is, we can come right over here and we can go to 4. We're going to go straight down 4. And we're going to find our 2 because it's 4 times 2. I'm going to go straight across, and they meet right here at 8. So we know 4 times 2 is 8. And as you can see right here, we covered up 2 zeros, and we can't forget our zeros right there. And just as we did before, I'm going to make these blue so that we can see them easier later. Okay, I'm going to go to this box here now. And it's 5 times 20. So again, I'm going to cover up that 0. And now the problem is simple 5 times 2. I'm going to come over here to my 5. I'm going to draw a line straight down. And we already have it going across our 2. And they match right here at 10. So I know 5 times 2 is 10, and we covered up 1 0, so I need to make sure I put that 0 there. So now I know 5 times 20 is 100. And again, this problem, 40 times 9, looks a little scary, so let's cover up that 0, and it's 4 times 9. I'm going to come over here, and it looks like I already have my 4 down. Now I want to find my 9. Across. So again, 4 and 9 right here meets at 36. So I know 4 times 9 is 36. And once again, I covered 1 0. So I need 1 0 right here. And I know 40 times 9 is 360. And right here, we have 5 times 9. So again, we can come right over here and we can find our 5. Straight down, and it looks like we already have a 9, so we can see 5 times 9 is 45. We can put 45 in here and make that blue so that all of our products stand out. Now we have 4 products here, and these are called partial products. So what we need to do is we need to solve and find our total product. So we need to add all of our products together. So I'm going to put them over here so that we can do our addition problem. And I like to start with the biggest and go all the way down to the largest to the least. The most to least. Greatest to least. That's what I'm looking for. Good. Last one. I want to make sure, since I had 4 partial products over here, I want to make sure I have 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like I am good. So now what I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and make my bar here just a little smaller. And I'm going to draw my straight line across, my plus sign. Okay. Now, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. I'll go ahead and write my 5 here in my ones. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So I need to regroup. So I know this is 0 here. And I'm regrouping my 1 to the 100s here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 1 is 13. So I know this is 3. And I need to regroup that 1 over here. And 1 plus nothing else is 1. And I can't forget my comma. So I know that 45 times 29 is 1,305. And again, I encourage all my students to please box in their answers so that I can see them easily when I look at their papers. And that's it. That is how you solve multiplication using